All right, new video. Just got this off from eBay. Saw it out there, grabbed it right away because it was $120 buy it now. And I saw the computer and I saw all 4 connectors on the wiring harness. So $120 shipped to my door. This NGC, this computer ECU, I looked it up with my reader. I got the VIN number off of it. Looked up the part number. It's for a 2010 Ram Commander or Grand Cherokee 5.7. One thing good about this this harness, it has all your connectors that you're gonna need, just about, except for the little ODB2. I get these for $5 off of eBay. So I'm just gonna tap that into here. I'm gonna try to find this other plug or cut the wires off. But one thing good about this harness, you get all your battery connections too. Here, see, here's the positive battery clamp, the negative, the fat wire for the alternator. See how fat that is? I think that's the number 4, because it's probably a 160 amp alternator in these Rams. But the wires weren't cut, or just a few wires were cut. This one was cut. This one comes off of this one plug, and somebody just yanked the O2 sensor wires off. But you know, the O2 sensors will have that plug on it anyway. But almost everything's here. All your injectors for a V8, all the injectors, all the coils, almost everything is here. The cam sensor. I think this is a cam sensor. I think these are the knock sensors. Get everything. So I'm gonna strip this one down. I don't have an automatic, so this green connector doesn't have to go. I gotta send the computer off to have skim removed, unless I can figure out how to do that myself. But yeah, there's my other one ready to test. Haven't had a chance to put it on my stand yet. It's been cold here. That's my hot wire harness. I already had that on my other video showing it running. So just thought I'd let you know, $120 on eBay. So you just got to keep your eyes open or find one of these trucks in the junkyard and get this harness, because all my other car harnesses didn't have all the connectors here, and I've always had to go find them, you know. Got a couple here. Here's an orange connector. Here's another one I found in the junkyard, had to cut off. Had to get my white connector and black connector for that other one over there, and had to splice that one in. But on this one, they're already hooked up, and I don't have to do any cutting and splicing. So look for this harness in the junkyard, or look for something that has all your wiring, your plugs already there. So I'll probably pull this apart and strip out all the automatic transmission green plug pins and wires. But if you're running like a NAG 1 or something, I think you'd want this whole harness, because it'll make life a lot easier for you to get everything hooked up. All right, so look for that. Hopefully this one isn't too long.